Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something many of us have experienced: mouth ulcers. Those painful sores in your mouth can make eating and speaking uncomfortable. But don't worry, I've got some simple home remedies that can help speed up healing and relieve the pain. A saltwater rinse. This one's super easy. Simply mix a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and swish it around in your mouth for about 30 seconds. Salt has natural antibacterial properties that help cleanse the ulcer, reduce swelling, and speed up healing. Doing this 2 to 3 times a day can help disinfect the area and soothe the pain. Honey is another great remedy. Not only is it soothing, but it also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Simply apply a small amount of honey directly onto the ulcer after meals. Honey helps promote healing, reduce pain, and prevent infection. So worth it. Just leave it on for a while to let it work its magic. Next, let's talk about coconut oil. Coconut oil has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for treating mouth ulcers. Simply apply a small amount of coconut oil to the affected area 2 to 3 times a day. It helps keep the ulcer moist, prevents infection, and speeds up healing. It's a natural remedy that's gentle and effective, and it can also reduce the discomfort from the ulcer. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties, and it works wonders for mouth ulcers. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, just cut a small piece, extract the gel, and apply it directly to the ulcer. If not, you can use store-bought aloe vera gel. Aloe helps calm irritation, reduces pain, and promotes healing, so it's definitely worth a try. While these remedies help heal your mouth ulcer, it's also important to avoid certain foods that can irritate the sore. Spicy, acidic, and rough foods like citrus, chips, and hot sauces can make things worse. Stick to soft, bland foods like mashed potatoes or soups while your ulcer heals. Taking care of what you eat can make a big difference in how quickly your ulcer heals. So there you have it. Simple and effective home remedies for mouth ulcers. I hope these tips bring you some relief. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy health tips. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.